Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off tamper protection in Windows Security or Windows Defender on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So tamper protection is a built-in feature in Windows Security that prevents unauthorized users or programs from turning it off or attempting to tamper with the settings. So while it has good intentions, in some cases it might interfere with what projects or tasks you are trying to perform on your computer, and by turning off tamper protection might be the solution you're looking for. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Windows Security, best match, so come back with Windows Security, go ahead and open that up, select the Virus and Threat Protection button, and then underneath Virus and Threat Protection settings, select the Manage Settings option, and then scroll down underneath Tamper Protection, prevent others from tampering with important security features. Either toggle to the on or off position, again depending on your preference. You may have to answer to a user account control prompts and select yes, again assuming you have administrative permissions to do so. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.